Cybertruck light bar. So Tesla just did the installation. I just still have to go and fix the soldering they did. But the reason they cannot connect it legally, so you'll be able to turn it on. So you have to take the B-pillar glass off, and there you have to plug it in, the harness that goes there, put it back together, and after you do that, you'll have this notification on, and in the outlets, instead of the outlet for the roof, you'll have an option for the light bar automatically, like nothing, no redeploying or nothing is needed. And there you go. So yeah, you don't even have to open the roof trim. I just did to check how the job was done, and it was done poorly, so we're just gonna fix it to make sure it's not gonna cause me any trouble. They also installed my wheel covers after 6 months. I like it.
Цікаво цю штуку допаювати.
Не догріли її.
Ми підогрівали. Ось треба з всіх сторін, знаєш.
They also said they replaced my roof trims. Doesn't look like they installed brand new ones. Looks like my original one. 13,000 miles. I wish they would replace it, but you know, it is how it is.